This is the HUAWEI Nova 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch settings, then enter the display and brightness category, as well as expand the available values for the sleep feature, we'll realize that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is only 10 minutes. Thus, in order to set this value to never, we'll need to use the help of the free third-party application that is called Caffeine. So in order to get it, to obtain it, you'll need to open the browser since it is not present at the app gallery, unfortunately. Then open the APK Pure website, apkpure.com to be exact. At the search bar over here, type in Caffeine, just like so. Then grab the Caffeine Keep the Screen On application from the developer, whose name is Caffeine. So let's just go ahead and download the installation file. Once the file gets downloaded, we'll go ahead and launch it and, well, install it. To begin with, allow the Chrome to install apps as well, confirm the installation. Now, as you can see, as this little pop-up window says, the Caffeine app has been successfully installed, so all that it's left to do is to launch it. Make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, which effectively means that as long as the Caffeine app will stay active and running, so you will not close the app, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.